Hi, this is my book, Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to show you a trick today from the book. So what do you do? What do you do with a squiggle? Well, how about we turn into a cute little animal, right? So start with a kind of a pear shape, but with a square top. And two little eyes. Just kind of dots evenly apart. Little perplexed mouth. I'm going to bring these cheeks a little higher. Make a few adjustments. Same thing on the other side. A piggly wiggly ear. A couple of ridges here. How about we give him a little bit of a little huff here, touching his face. That's the oh my gosh hoof. That's just fun with a squiggle and a wiggle. And there it is again. Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. I hope you take a look at it. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.